In this video, I want to show you how to move point features using QGIS. In QGIS, I have these point features. In a situation where you want to move a particular point from one location to another for one reason or the other, how do you do that? For example, let's assume I want to move about these three features from here to another location. Let me show you how to do that. To do that, the first thing to do is to put your feature in editing mode. To do that, just click on this icon, which is toggle editing. Once you do that, you have put the layer in editing mode. Now, to move any of these points, come to this edit. Click on edit. Come to edit geometry. Then click on this move features. When you click on it, go to any one you want to move. For example, I want to move this. So just click on it and move your cursor to any point you want to drop it and then click it. You can see that it has moved it to that point. If you want to move this one as well, just click on it and move cursor to where you want to drop it. Then once you reach there, click that point. You can see that it has moved it to that point. If you want to move this one as well, click on it, move your cursor to where you want to drop it and click at that point. You can see it has moved it. So essentially, this is how to move point features using QGIS. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Good day everyone, this is GIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this channel, we produce tutorial on GIS software and also on some tutorial that are of very use on how to use some gadgets. I thank you all for your support so far. You have been a kind of support to us, encouraging us to move forward. This channel membership we just created is another avenue for you to support us. I implore you to support us by joining our channel membership. Joining our channel membership, you have access to member-only videos. There are some videos that will be strictly for members only. Supporting us through your membership, we will really appreciate it. I welcome you all on board to GIS Solution channel membership. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining us. Joining us will support us to do more quality video, to get more gadgets, to produce more quality video. Thank you for supporting us.